So friends, let's prepare this interesting and delicious Meethichi amti. So I'm going to begin by crushing about 6 to 7 garlic cloves in a mortar and pestle. We want a very coarse paste like this. Next, I've taken 1 cup of fenugreek methi leaves. Now I have plucked out the leaves from the bunch. Then I have soaked them in some water to which I've added salt for about 5 minutes, picked up the leaves, discarded the murky water, rinsed it under water 3 or 4 times, and then I have dried it on some kitchen towel. Now once the leaves are completely dry and clean, we're going to chop them up really fine for this amti. So about 1 cup of methi is enough for this amti, and this amti is enough for 4 people. So chop the methi really fine and transfer it to a bowl and set it aside. Now besides the crushed garlic and the methi, we also require about 7 to 8 garlic cloves for the phodni or the tadka, chopped fine. And I'm going to take 2 red dry chillies, remove the stems, I've washed them and wiped them well, and we're going to cut them up into smaller bits. Now besides that, we require half a teaspoon of mustard seeds, cumin seeds, asafoetida and turmeric powder. Also, we require about 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon of goda masala or kala masala, and 3/4 of a tablespoon of jaggery. Besides that, we require 1 cup of toor dal. Now watch the video till the end because I'll show you how I cook my toor dal. Now I'm going to heat a vessel and I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of oil for this recipe. Next, once I'm going to spread the oil evenly around the pot. Once the oil is nice and hot, I'm going to add my mustard seeds or mohori. Once the mohori or the mustard seeds begin to splutter, I'm going to add the cumin seeds or the jeera. Next, I'm going to throw in the red chillies that we cut up into small pieces. Then I'm going to add that crushed garlic that we crushed in our mortar and pestle. Now fry all of these ingredients really well till the rawness of the garlic and the chilli goes away. Next, I'm going to add the asafoetida, that is the hing, and the haldi powder or the turmeric powder. Again, give everything a nice mix on a low to medium flame. Now we're going to add our chopped up methi leaves, and now we're going to fry the methi leaves really well in this bagar or phodni. Fry this for at least half a minute. You'll get this beautiful aroma of the methi and all the other ingredients. Next, I'm going to add my cooked dal. Now I'm using toor dal. Mix everything really well together. You can also use masur dal or even moong dal. Now I'm going to add about 1/4 cup of water. We don't want a very thin runny dal. It should be a little on the thicker side. Mix everything well together. Now let the dal come to a medium boil on a medium to high heat. As you can see, it started to boil, so just give it a gentle mix. Next, we are going to add salt to taste, so approximately 3/4 of a teaspoon. Mix it in well. Next, I'm going to add the chilli powder as well as the kala or goda masala. Now I'll leave a link of how I prepare my goda masala at home. And we're going to also add the jaggery or the gur. Mix everything really nicely together. Now we're going to cover and cook this on a very low heat for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, you get the lovely aroma of all the ingredients. Open the lid and stir well. Scrape the sides of the vessel as well. Now I'm going to turn the heat off and I'm going to transfer this dal or amti into a serving bowl. Now we have to give this a lovely tadka or a phodni. So for that I'm heating up 2 tablespoons of ghee or toop and I'm going to add my chopped garlic. Fry the garlic really well till it becomes a little light golden brown in color on the edges. Once the garlic is fried well, you're going to turn off the flame and you're going to add 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chilli powder. Mix all of that really well together. And now we're going to add this phodni to our lovely Meethichi amti. Give it a good mix, and I like to take a little bit of the dal and put it into this hot tempering dish so as to get all the goodness of all the ingredients. Mix everything really well together and our lovely Meethichi amti is all ready. All it requires is a little bit of garnish of some lovely finely chopped fresh coriander or kothimir. Please try out this recipe guys and watch the video till the end to see how I cook my toor dal at home.